Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another commentary of Dubai Financial Market. Market have just now closed. Market is up by 1.09 points. Yes, it's closed in green. In the morning hours, market was trading around 2,820. It came down and from here it started to move up. If I talk about the market index, we can clearly see it's trapped within this resistance zone. Lower range is around 2,815, upper range is around 2,847. So market is just trading within this zone. Once it breaks the upper zone, we can confirm that correction phase is now over. Market is out of this range, and this can be a good indication of market resuming its uptrend after a correction phase. So as of now, this is a solid technical resistance. I want to see market close about 2,847 to confirm market is now bullish again. If we talk about the stocks, DIB is performing very well. I had mentioned yesterday as well. It have closed at 5.04. What happens is after a correction in a particular stock, market moves in a range. This is the breathing period, or you can say cooling off for the market. It accumulates here, buyers and sellers are fighting, and then it gives the breakout. This breakout is usually very powerful as it releases a big energy. And then when it comes back for a retracement, at least 50% of this, or if the trend is weaker, it can even come back and retest the same zone. This is a good place to buy. You can enter here or at the 50% zone after looking at a bullish candle and a bullish chart pattern, and then you target the previous resistance zones. So this is how you enter the trade after a correction phase or when a range is broken. We talk about Emaar Properties. It opened with a gap up, but it closed flat 3.96. As I mentioned, Emaar is in a solid deep correction mode. As of now, it's also in a range and it's struggling to break this range. Once it breaks, this stock will be good for a buy. As of now, it's wait and watch in a no trading zone. Then Emirates NBD did not close in green today. It opened flat, closed at 13.70, down by 0.72%. So as I also mentioned in my previous analysis about Emirates NBD Bank, it's just approaching the resistance zone right here. If you see a rejection candle, immediately exit your trade, as it can take a U-turn and come down back at the support zone. At times it can also retrace 50% and try for the second time, again come back, try for the third time, and then break the resistance. So Emirates NBD is overall in an uptrend. Yes, I had uploaded a detailed technical analysis for Emirates NBD. I hope you have watched that. If not, you can check it out on my YouTube channel. Let's check out Aramex. Aramex is a very good stock. It's very bullish. Closed at 3.82. It made a day high at 3.88. Overall, it's in an uptrend now after the breakout of the range. As we all know, market was in a correction phase and now it's within this range. So most of the stocks follow the index. As we all know, index is summary of the market. So most of the stocks are in a range and now giving a breakout to the upper side. So Aramex is following the index. It's heavy weighted stock. So range is broken. As of now, there is a small correction, but this is good for a buy. Then if we talk about Amanat, it's good. I had mentioned yesterday as well, Amanat is good. It's been trending up, a small correction, and now ready for a U-turn to make a new high crossing the resistance. Amanat looks good. Air Arabia, I don't like personally. It's a very slow stock, moving within a small range, 1.130, 1.135. So you can't make money here. It's just a range based stock. So better avoid. There are plenty of other stocks that have already made a breakout of the range and good for buy. So we check out some other stocks. DIC, very good stock, very good opportunity for intraday and for holding basis as well. As I had mentioned, it's right at the support. Where is the support for DIC? I had mentioned 1.65 or 1.60 to 1.65 is the support zone. Once you see a breakout, you can enter the trade. So this is exactly what had happened. DIC is very good. If you have not yet entered DIC, wait for a correction now. Once you see a bullish chart pattern or a bullish candle, you can enter the trade. And then we check out another stocks. Shua, no, very volatile. As you can see, it's down by 2.22% today. Avoid. Imardev is good for a long term. It's trending high. We can also see good positive price action. Today was a correction day or a retest day. Once you see a bullish confirmation candle, you can again enter the trade. Then you have DFM, not yet confirmed. It broke the support. As of now, it's retesting the resistance that was previously a support zone. So wait, let it cross this resistance that was previously a support, and then we buy. A very slow stock, in fact, and not performing. Then we have Tabreed, no. Ithmar, no. Category B stock. Do Islo, AAN today tried to move up 0.204. It closed negative 0.196. So also a category B stock, avoid it. Big disappointment with UPP and DR, not performing. Open gap down, clearly indicating weakness. Closed negative as well, 0.296 in a no trading zone. Emaar Malls merging with Emaar Properties. We know that this is going to be good, positive for Emaar. Then we have DR, also closed negative, no trading zone. Yesterday's closing was good. Now let me tell you a advanced point here. When the market is in a correction or a stock is in a correction, it hangs out here for a while. Once it crosses the previous resistance, not the swing high, previous resistance, once we see a closing above the previous resistance with a decisive candle and volume should be good, then this is good for a trend changer. It means reversal is in place. You can enter at the closing of this candle. Your stop loss should be at the opening of this candle. You can target the previous swing highs as per your risk appetite. Next stock we can see ERC, no. Aman, flat again. Slight increase in the volume. It's very quiet. No big moves. Then we have Ajman Bank, no trading. Salam Bahrain, no trading. Amlak, category B stock, very slow and bearish as of now. Do not buy this one. Gulf Nav, also slow, category B stock. Damac, we all know what's happening, waiting for the news. So as of now, clearly in a range with very, very thin volumes, 500,000 only, with 7 trades happening today. So that's it, guys. I think market have picked up. It's looking bullish. Closing is also very good. At least we are in green after a deep correction. So I think it's time to make money. Few stocks are looking positive and good for buy. My course for stock market is ready. If you are interested, do comment below and let me know, or send me an email. I will update you with all the details. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.